In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run the WooCommerce Setup Wizard fast and easy. First things first, make sure you have signed into your WordPress dashboard. This is the heart of your WooCommerce installation, and you can't proceed without having access to it. Once you're in, double-check that WooCommerce is installed. If it's not, make sure you do that first because obviously, we need it to proceed with the setup. Now we're going to navigate to the WooCommerce section on your dashboard and click on Settings. This section is where we'll handle all the essential configurations to get started with WooCommerce effectively. Let's start filling out the first set of information, which is the Address Line 1. Enter your business's primary address here, as it's crucial for things like billing and shipping calculations. After that, you'll need to input your city. This is a straightforward step, but be sure it's accurate as it affects taxes and shipping rates. Next up, select your country or state. This setting helps WooCommerce determine tax rates and shipping destinations. Make sure it's correct to avoid any miscalculations down the line. Moving on, it's time to fill in the postcode or zip. Again, this is critical for calculating shipping charges and tax rates. After setting up these basic details about your location, the next two settings determine where you're willing to sell and ship your products. For selling locations, specify where you are open to selling your products. You can choose to sell to all countries or limit it to specific ones. Similarly, for shipping locations, decide where you want to ship your products. Tailor these settings according to your business plan and customer base. The next section is Default Customer Location. This determines the initial location used by WooCommerce, so set it according to the most logical point for your business. Perhaps use your shop's base address or geolocate the customer's current location if it suits your model. Now, let's talk currency. It's time to select your currency. This is simply the currency in which you conduct your business transactions, so pick the one you're using. Once you've chosen a currency, set the currency position. This controls where the currency symbol appears relative to the price. Finally, you'll configure your separators and decimals. The thousand separator helps in displaying long numbers clearly. You can use a comma or a period based on your locale's conventions. For the decimal separator, choose how decimal numbers will be divided. Again, choose what makes sense locally. Lastly, set the number of decimals. This affects how prices are rounded, so it's best to match this with the standard in your industry or region. Don't forget the most important step: save your changes. This ensures all your settings will be applied correctly. And there you have it, an easy and efficient walkthrough of running the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you next time.